আসসালামু আলাইকুম প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী ভাই বোনেরা। আমরা এখন করব তৃতীয় সপ্তাহের অষ্টম শ্রেণীর ইংরেজির অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটি, অর্থাৎ তৃতীয় সপ্তাহের ইংরেজি অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট। প্রথমে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি দেওয়া আছে প্রশ্নতে HW দিয়ে, কার্তিক প্রামাণিক ইজ অ্যান ইন্সপাইরেশন ফর আস, ডু ইউ এগ্রি, হোয়াই অথবা হোয়াই নট। এখন আমরা দেখব এটা কিভাবে আমরা করতে পারি, অ্যান্সার দিতে পারি। হোয়াই কার্তিক প্রামাণিক ইজ অ্যান ইন্সপাইরেশন ফর আস। তো আমরা এটাকে এইভাবে লিখতে পারি, আই থিঙ্ক কার্তিক প্রামাণিক ইজ অ্যান ইন্সপাইরেশন ফর আস বিকজ কার্তিক লাভস trees from the heart. He started planting trees from a very young age. He was inspired to plant trees by his father. Karthik had a hobby of planting trees that are very large so that man and nature can benefit from these trees. Karthik himself realized how much pain he felt when tired people could not find shelter in the shade of a tree in the midst of work. With the idea that the shade of a tree could alleviate the suffering of tired people, he started planting trees on the side of the road next to the school. He would bear all the expenses himself. Many nights he would water the trees so people thought he was mad. Karthik unselfishly planted trees for the benefit of the people. He used to take care of the trees himself. Karthik used to plant trees but did not accept fruit. So I think Karthik Pramanik is the inspiration in the work of the present young generation and youth society. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী ভাই বোনেরা, এখন আমরা দেখব দ্বিতীয় অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটি। হোয়াই ডু ইউ থিঙ্ক দ্যাট দ্য টাইটেল ইজ অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট ফর দ্য স্টোরি দ্য ট্রুথফুল ডাব। এখন আমরা দেখব এটা কিভাবে অ্যান্সার করা যায়। A truthful dove. Once upon a time, a dove and a bat were very good friends. One day, the two friends decided to set out on a journey. They flew over the rivers and hills and came to a big jungle. Both the friends were very tired. They needed to sit down and take a rest. So night fell and it was dark all around. A storm rose. It started to rain heavily. The dove and that bat started to look for a shelter. They came upon a century-old rain tree. An owl had this nest in that tree. The dove and the bat requested the owl to give them shelter. They begged for some food too. The selfish owl was not happy, but he gave them shelter and shared his dinner with them. The dove was so tired that she could not eat much, but the bat was sly. He ate greedily. Now he began to praise the owl in the hope of getting more food. The owl was very pleased at the bat's flattery. At the same time, He was expecting praise from the dove, but the dove kept silent. The bird insisted to praise the owl, but the dove said that she had nothing to say about the owl. The owl got angry and started revoked her. The bird also joined the owl. Both of them drove the dove away from the nest on the stormy night, but the quail, owl, and bat did not go unpunished. They were cast. The owl cannot move in daylight, and the bat cannot sleep at all. But the truthful dove is loved by all even today. এখন আমরা দেখব সর্বশেষ যে অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটি দেওয়া হয়েছিল ইংরেজি, সেটা হচ্ছে এরকম: ইমাজিন দেয়ার ইজ আ বোট স্কুল ইন ইউর এরিয়া টু টিচ রিভার জিপসি চিলড্রেন, রাইট আ প্যারাগ্রাফ অ্যাবাউট হাউ ইউ ক্যান হেল্প দ্য জিপসি চিলড্রেন উইথ লার্নিং। সো গাইস, চলুন আমরা এই অংশটুকুর অ্যান্সার দেখে আসি। হাউ উই ক্যান হেল্প দ্য জিপসি চিলড্রেন উইথ লার্নিং। River Gypsies are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. They are also known as Vidai to local people who travel from one place to another. Their main vehicle is the boat to travel. There is a boat school in my area. We try to teach children of the river gypsies. It is very sad that they are deprived of many benefits even thought they are citizens of Bangladesh. They are deprived of the light of education as well as civil rights. Only education can give us our civil rights. So we decided to teach them to read and write. As we had a boat school, we go to their family and advise them to bring their children to school. We have some plans for them. We have decided that we will provide them with basic textbooks of school for free. At first, you want to teach them the basic of English, mathematics, computer, and other available technologies. We can take our laptops and show them what technology can do. We can also teach them about morals and humanity. They deserve the suns to shine in light. So they need our help, and as the conscious citizen of Bangladesh cannot but help them in learning for making a better society.